Alright guys, so this is going to be for all of my pantograph enthusiasts out there. I have a job coming up where I need to hold a template on this table. I need to come up with some sort of a clamping system, and let's have a look at it. I guess also I should say, I know that they make a T-slotted table for this machine. Pretty hard to come by, and if you do actually kind of find one in the wild, it's probably too expensive, at least for me. Okay guys, so this is basically what it looks like on the table. Imagine this is our template. This is a 1/4 inch piece of just flat aluminum. And this is what the clamping system looks like engaged. So let's take one apart. 1024 screw here. And these are 1032 threads in these in our normal sort of hold downs, right, that we butt up against our font. These are 1032 threads here. The screw is contacting the plate. There's still clearance for this to move in the slot. These are just 3/16 inch slots in here. This is essentially the fulcrum point, so we're levering off of the back. In doing so, pushing down on the toe of the hold down, and this holds it quite securely in place. Let's get a better look at the hold down. Lots of clearance for the arm here.